Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Fond du Lac County and east central Wisconsin, Dodge County and southeastern Wisconsin until 6:45 p.m. At 5:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Markeson to near Rio to 6 miles southeast of Sauk City, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fond du Lac, Watertown, Beaver Dam, Hartford, Walpen, Mayville, Horicon, Juneau, Lomira, Theresa, Hustisford, Oakfield, Iron Ridge, Brandon, Burnett, Ashipon, Rubicon, Lamartine, Lebanon, and Byron. This includes the following location: Horicon Marsh. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunder.